In this video, we're taking you with us during our quick 2-night stay at the Andaz Singapore. This modern hotel features multiple restaurants on site, a spectacular rooftop bar, an amazing infinity pool, a 24-hour fitness center, and is close to many attractions the city has to offer. As soon as we stepped out of our taxi, the Andaz staff welcomed us and assisted us to the elevator to go to the lobby on the 25th floor. The check-in desk is located at alley on 25, which I will go over later on in the video. There was no line, so checking in was a quick process, and we headed straight to our room. We booked 2 types of rooms. First, let's take a look at the Andaz Suite. Let's take a look at our Andaz Suite, room 3221. Let's open up this heavy door and let me lock it real quick. There we go. So there's this little foyer area when you walk in, and on the right side is a half bath. So there's a toilet, a small sink, and there's the soap. And let's go on to the room. Let's take a look at the right side first. It's this huge walk-in closet. It's massive. So look at that. We have all our luggage here. As you can see, there's a lot of room. And it has a window with a view of the city. Now, it's hard to see because of the reflection, but you can see the city from up here. And let's take a look at what we have here. So there's a safe. In here is this for laundry. And right here is a bag you can take home, and not sure what this is for. Maybe it's for laundry, I'm not sure what that is, but there's an iron, and down here you get some slippers. And this is to, if you need your shoes cleaned, you can get it cleaned here. And there is a huge mirror here. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. So here's a quick glance. There's a rocking chair here, which is pretty cool. Let me test it out. So you can sit here while taking in views of the city, but it's hard to see it right now because of the reflection from all the lights here. Here's the king-size bed. And there's the phone, and there's a lot of lights here. There's controls everywhere. So there's controls here. There's USB plugs there. There's controls on the front. Here's the big screen TV with a little office desk. So they gave us this bag. We can take that home. Here's a welcome card from the staff. And there's chocolates in here, but I took them out because it was so hard to take them out. So there's the chocolates inside that box. And a message from the staff. More plugs here. And a huge window to see the city, but too much reflection from the light, so we can't see it right now. And over here, we have the super cool lounge. Look at this space. I think this TV is bigger than the one in the bedroom, so that's a huge TV. Look at this. Like windows all around so you can see the city. Large wraparound couch. Let's see what's in this drawer. Nothing in there. Here's an espresso coffee maker. But look at this, they gave us these it's like water bottles you can take home. They look like flasks, but those are super dope. It's the coffee. There's a tea kettle. Let's see what we have here. Some snacks, that's typical of Andaz. They usually give you snacks and drinks. There's the tea and the glassware. And on the bottom is a fridge. There's a couple beers here. some sodas, and yeah, some juices, Milo. Haven't had that in a long time. Not sure what this drink is. And this is some green tea. So look at this space. It's like super cool here. You can just sit right here, relax, have a drink, and order some food, and take in views of the city, which we can't see right now because of all the reflection, but you can kind of see it right there. More plugs here. There's plugs everywhere here. More controls. And now let's take a look at this huge bathroom. This thing is humongous. So here's the toilet. Let me show you how big this bathroom is. Look at that. Dual sinks. I've never seen this before, but this one has a water dispenser. You can drink the water here, so you don't even need to go anywhere to get water. Here's the amenity kits they have. Toothbrush, razor, hairbrush, Q-tips. And there's a couple bathrobes here that they provide for you. And this huge walk-in shower. This is a rainfall shower up there, as you can see. And this soaking tub. Look at that. If I open up those blinds, you can see the city. So let me show you. Let me open it up real quick. It's from these controls right here. So if I press it, it'll open it up. Let me try to turn off the lights so we can see the view better here. So let's turn this off. Turn off all the lights here. Okay, it doesn't want to turn off, but I'll show it in the video later. But that is a quick tour of our Andaz Suite. All right, I figured out how to turn off the lights. You just press the master switch, you hold it down for a couple seconds and it turns it all off. So here's a view of the city from the lounge of the room. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. And on this side, let's see what's on this side. You can see the highway and more buildings. And I'm not sure what building that is up there, but we're pretty high up. We're on the 32nd floor. All right. Now let's take a look at our second room, a standard king. Let's take a look at our room, 2822. This is a king room with city view. So as soon as you walk in, there's this decent sized closet with some storage up top, a bunch of hangers, see all our luggage here already, and more storage below. And to the left side of it, there's a safe. This is for your laundry stuff, more storage. There's an iron. The ironing board is actually in this little cabinet right here. It's hidden. And on the bottom shelf, there's some slippers and stuff to clean your shoes with. Now let's take a look at our king size bed. And here's a sitting area with a small dining table. Big screen TV. Look at this little couch here. It looks comfy, just to lounge in. And let's take a look at our view. Here is downtown Singapore. So much construction going on here and a lot of buildings. Very busy city. And here's another look at the bed. Now let's take a look what's on this side. So there's a Bluetooth speaker, it's a Bose clock, and here's some controls for the room. All the lights, a plug, USB-A, USB-C. There's also the same thing on the other side of the bed, so both sides have it. Now let's take a look at this coffee and tea area. So to give you a couple of these reusable water bottles, you can take those home with you. An espresso coffee maker with a tea kettle, Nespresso pods. Here's some more glassware and snacks. The Andaz is known for providing complimentary snacks and drinks. And the drinks are on the bottom here, in the bottom fridge. So here's a beer, a couple cans of Coke. Here's a Minute Maid orange juice. Milo, who drinks Milo? This looks like some kind of energy or recovery drink. And green tea. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. You can actually close these doors if you want more privacy, so that's how it is when it's closed, but let's open it up. First, here's the toilet. Now, here is the rainfall shower. And these are the products they use here. And there's only one sink here, which is fine. And in this drawer, they have all the amenities: razor, brush, toothbrush, all that stuff, and a hair dryer. And there's also a couple of robes here. And that is a quick tour of our king room with city view here at the Andaz in Singapore.
Alley on 25 is an all-day dining venue which recreates the fluid and spontaneous experience of Singapore street dining in the sky. The sunroom, located along the alley, serves complimentary drinks and snacks throughout the day for hotel guests. We had the breakfast buffet every day at Alley on 25, which is separated into 3 sections. Smoke and Pepper serves Asian dishes such as fried rice, noodles, dim sum, and congee. Ice House serves continental breakfast items such as bread, pastries, different meats and cheese, various types of fruit and vegetables. The Green Oven serves Indian breakfast as well as Western dishes such as bacon, sausage, and eggs. There was also a fresh juice selection, which was really refreshing. Breakfast here was good. We found items that we liked from all the various options they had. 5 on 25 serves refined Cantonese cuisine in a modern upscale setting that is a sophisticated mix of romance and nostalgia. Lunch is served daily from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and dinner from 6 to 10 p.m. 665 degrees Fahrenheit, located on the 38th floor, features a meat-centric dining experience incorporating Southeast Asian flavors. It's open for lunch Monday to Friday from 12 to 2:30 p.m. and from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. on weekends. Dinner is served daily from 6 to 10 p.m. Bar Square is the hotel's communal bar, which offers dramatic sunset views while sipping on Asian-inspired cocktails. Stop by for happy hour Monday through Friday from 4 to 7 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 3 to 7 p.m. It's open daily from 12 to 10:30 p.m. Mr. Stork is the hotel's rooftop bar that houses 10 teepee huts and offers 360-degree views of the city below. Here's how it looks during the daytime compared to the lively atmosphere it becomes during the evening. It's open Sunday through Thursday from 5 p.m. until midnight, Friday and Saturday from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. The Andaz features a spectacular outdoor infinity pool. Check out this massive pool on the 25th floor of the Andaz. And that view is amazing. There's also a small pool for the little ones. I was impressed by how much equipment they were able to fit inside this small gym. There was a decent amount of cardio and exercise machines as well as free weights, and the best thing about it is it's open 24 hours. We had a wonderful stay at the Andaz Singapore. The hotel is beautiful, the outdoor spaces are spectacular, the staff was very friendly, and we would stay here again when we make our way back to this vibrant city. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.